Alright guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mind today. If you're new here, I'm Roland Attenborough. I'm the leading GANN scientific and analytical researcher. And I'm just saying thank you very much for having us as a guest today. I'm really grateful for that. And I'm sending out boatloads of peace and love to you. I hope you had a wonderful, happy holidays. I hope you ate way too much and you laughed far too long. And we're in the company of people that really loved you. Okay, so we're going to just dive right into the chart here. I already told you guys about a week ago that, when this asset made 15,000 back here in 2022 here, okay, it's been 108 weeks since our top. Let's just go take a look at that. I mean, mathematical science is of the highest order. It's just pretty simple to see. So this says days. So let's go over to the weekly chart so that this hopefully will populate what we're talking about. Okay. It looks like I kind of messed that one up. Let's go over here. Let's just make it a little bigger. And I really need to show you this because I did a tutorial about this already. Guys, price and time, when they come together, changes are imminent. We've been up 108K right now, and it's been exactly 108 weeks. Like, come on, guys. Get your head out of the clouds. Okay, we're going to have a little bit of a Humpty Dumpty, and then we're going to have a resumption with a big move up into this early January, right? Which is up to the 7th, we could have this big blow off. Now, we could retest this 108, and we can certainly go up to 114. I've talked about this, right? Talked about this 114 here, and this 125, okay? Why? Well, Mars is sitting at just under 125 degrees, and moving backwards on this, that's right. Mercury is conjunct the moon, which is opposite directly Jupiter, and is vibrating at 104 degrees backwards from the scale. We also have the sun, which is occupying right here on the chart and represents 85. So at any moment now we can have a big pullback. And not to forget that Pluto is sitting right here, 60 degrees back from 360. And it represents 60. Also moving around from 360, the second ring is 720. So we're vibrating right now between the 72, so the second and the third ring of 360. Okay? And the price is vibrating somewhere between 98, 100, right here. Do you see that on my stickers? Right? Because I just made this circle. Right, I continued the ruler. It's 360, 72, 108, and 1440. That's how we get the price locked in, right? It's pretty simple. This is what William was doing. This is his master time factor, and I teach all this. So this week, guys, we have some tumultuous stuff happening because last year, as you guys know, we had this spike top right here, right? Like this thing right here. Yeah, we're about to do this and have a little pullbacky here into this late January. And in late January, we will be at 78,000 on January 20th to the 29th. So get ready. And then from there, we are like lifting off. So pay attention to that, guys. I do all of this for you for free here because this is my gift. I love what I do, and I do what I love. And I think that's really important and great advice for anybody in life. So this is why I'm so good at what I do, because I love what I do. And I am doing what I love. Peace and love to you all.